Period. What about it? Say who? Say what? Say. Take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new for the first time, welcome. I'm Deasia, but you can call me D. And this is my Valentine's Day series. I'm uploading a different Valentine's Day look for the 14 days of love. Today, I will call this look like Trippy Love. Because you know these dudes be having me like tripped out. If you want to see how I achieve this tutorial, please continue on watching. Okay, let's get started right into this video. Sorry if y'all hearing my dryer in the background. I just got a whole bunch of stuff going. I just have a whole lot of sounds going on in my background, I know. But to start off, I'm going to shade in my eyebrows with my Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit Cosmetics in the shade 4. I'm going to clean up under that really lightly with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Concealer in the shade 3.75. So to start off, I'm going on my Athena makeup paint palette, and I'm gonna use this dark pink, right? And I'm gonna use, how much point? I'm gonna use this light pink first. Okay, now I'm gonna go over it with my Athena makeup paint palette setting powder. I have to go over it with the setting powder every time I place the paint down, because if I don't, then it's not gonna stay. Then I'm gonna go back over it with some paint and set it again. So in the same paint palette, I'm going in with this red, and this is what I'm gonna use to do my eyeliner today. Bring y'all up. Using the crayon case by the Matte Book, I'm going to go in with this red shade and go right on top of the eyeliner. Next, I'm going into the Lisa Frank Morphe palette, and I'm going to go over this this pink area with this pink right here. So going in with that white, I'm going to draw some lines.
going to set that white pink. Then I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics Ultimate Neutrals palette, and I'm using that white at the bottom right here.
You know his name. Oh yeah, definitely. I know his name. But I just want to let you know that he's mine. No, he's mine.
I'm just going to continue with this pattern. So I'm going to go into my Nikita Morph palette, and I'm using this light pink, and I'm going to put this on the second line of pink I did. I'm using this pink right here. Okay, so now I'm gonna draw like the mushroom tail on this side, and I'm using the light pink. I want to outline it so I won't, you know, freehand it a little too much, get a little too excited. Gonna set it with that setting powder, and then go back over it with some more paint, and then set it again. Okay, so I'm gonna draw a little heart in the corner of my eye, and I'm using that red paint from the You Can Be paint palette. And how I did it is, I know I'm not gonna have it even. I did one cheek. It's not even, but it's alright. And then I'm gonna go in with that red from the crayon case. Y'all gonna make me get my palette up. I'm gonna go in with the crayon case, the matte book, and I'm using this red. I'm gonna go on top of it. Then I'm going in with my pink Pilouise base, and I'm gonna add my detail like I did with this heart. I'm gonna put my foundation on, and I can put my foundation on camera since y'all don't want me to leave.
It wasn't like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her.
So I wasn't going to put any concealer, but I changed my mind. I shouldn't have put no concealer. I'm gonna do a little bit of concealer. A little bit of contour, like a little bit. Of course, I'm not doing it on my cheeks, but I am gonna do some a little bit on my nose. And I'm using my Juvia's Place contour stick in the shade Zambia. I only pressed it a little bit because this is probably a lot, honestly. So I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand. I just want a little teeny bit. Now I can go back to decorating the rest of my face. Put some on my dry lips. And so I know what I want to do now. So I'm going to go in with the red paint and draw some hearts. Next, I'm going on my pillowy space and I'm going to outline the hearts. Next, I'm going to outline and I'm going to outline this part of my face in red. And I'm using the Rude Boy red from the Pillowy Space. First, before I do that, I'm going in with this sparkly shade from the the Lisa Frank palette. And I'm going to draw a little line swiggly thing. Most likely not going to get this exactly how I had it on the other side, but it's okay. Right, now I'm gonna add some bags. That first one was really bad. I'm gonna take the back of this and create some like mushroom circles.
Sometimes I think you're
Smack some mascara on my eyes because I don't want to put no lashes on to take away from this look. Because this look is bomb. I'm using my Essence Prep Eyelash stuff. I guess is what this is called. And then going in with my One and Only Better Than Sex waterproof mascara. Next, I'm going to use the red paint to do my lips. Period. What about it? Say who? Say what? Say. So this is the final look. It came out really trippy like. Say. It came out so good. Yeah, I feel like I'm like, I don't know. I feel like art. That's what I feel like. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you don't miss another beat. And I will see you guys in my next video.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me.